The most important lesson is on vibrational journaling, which delves into the fascinating world of quantum physics and explore how it relates to our daily lives and the practice of journaling. Quantum physics is the branch of physics that studies the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, such as atoms and subatomic particles. It challenges our classical understanding of reality by revealing the probabilistic nature of quantum systems. One of the fundamental principles of quantum physics is the observer effect, which states that the act of observation can influence the behavior of particles. This suggests that consciousness plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle is dependent on the state of another, even when they are separated by vast distances. This implies a deeper interconnectedness within the universe. Understanding the principles of quantum physics helps us recognize the interconnectedness of all things and the role of consciousness in shaping our experiences. By becoming aware of our thoughts and emotions, we can actively participate in the creation of our reality through vibrational journaling. Quantum physics teaches us that we are not passive observers but active participants in the unfolding of reality, empowering us to take control of our lives through intentional journaling practices. Let's explore the power of vibrational energy and its profound influence on our lives. Vibrational energy refers to the frequency at which everything in the universe vibrates, including thoughts, emotions, and physical objects. These vibrations emit energy that interacts with the energy around us, shaping our experiences and reality. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, meaning that the energy we emit through our thoughts and emotions attracts similar energy back to us. By aligning our vibrations with our desires, we can manifest them into our reality. Our emotions serve as an internal guidance system, indicating the vibrational frequency of our thoughts. Positive emotions such as joy and gratitude indicate alignment with higher vibrations, while negative emotions signal discord. Let's look at implications for vibrational journaling. Vibrational journaling harnesses the power of vibrational energy to align our thoughts and emotions with our desires. By consciously directing our focus and intention through journaling, we can raise our vibrational frequency and attract positive experiences into our lives. Vibrational journaling serves as a tool for self-awareness and self-regulation, allowing us to identify and shift our vibrations towards alignment with our goals.